Falak from Saudi.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Salam wa rahmatullah.
How are you?
I am fine. Jazakallah khair for asking.
I have one question.
Yes.
What is the time limit to offer Magrib Salaah after Azan?
What is the what?
Time limit.
Of what salah?
Magrib Salaah.
Okay.
After Azan.
Falak says, what is the last time of Maghrib? And this is a very good question. Unfortunately, if you go and see al-Qura calendar, which is the most accurate when it comes to Fajr, Dhuhr, Asr, and Isha, they have a problem. Let me rephrase that, which is the most accurate in terms of Fajr, Dhuhr, Asr, Maghrib. Isha is not accurate. Why? Because they have it fixed 11 months of the year to an hour and a half from sunset. So if the Maghrib Adhan is at 6 o'clock p.m., the sun sets at 6 o'clock p.m., it's by default, Isha is at 7:30. And this is wrong. And except in Ramadan, they increase it into 2 hours so that people could have iftar, and they break their fast over these feasts and meals, which is also wrong Islamically. Therefore, we have to go back to the basics. What are the basics? The Prophet ﷺ timed for us, as in the hadith of Jibreel, that Maghrib time ends when the redness in the horizon, in the twilight, disappears. What is that? When the sun sets and it's no more, if you look at the area at the west where it had set, you would find that there is a glow of redness because the sun had just set. Maghrib continues until this redness disappears. In Jeddah, I've noticed that it's approximately an hour and 5 to 10 minutes after sunset. As I was coming from Medina, and I could see close to Jeddah the sun setting, etc., and I was calculating it. So I hope this answers your